Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video we're gonna see how to crochet this beautiful granny square earrings. If you want a written pattern of this earrings, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link is in the description. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So for this project I'll be using two colors of crochet thread. It's a size 8 crochet thread, and I'm gonna use 1.25 millimeter crochet hook, and we'll need scissors. So with color 1 I'm going to work a magic ring, and then I will chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as my first double crochet, and once I have crochet chain 3, and I'll go ahead work 11 more double crochets around the magic ring. So once we have worked 11 double crochets, we are going to tighten the magic ring and work a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3 to close this round 1. And once you have worked the slip stitch, you can go ahead, tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. And at the end of round 1 we'll have 12 double crochet stitches. So now let's proceed working our round 2. For round 2, we are going to work chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet. And then I'm going to work one more double crochet on the same stitch. And then we are going to work 2 double crochets on each stitch around. So at the end of this round we will have 24 double crochet stitches, and once you have worked 2 double crochets on each stitch around, we are going to work a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3 to close this round 2. So at the end of round 2 we will have 24 double crochet stitches. So now I'm going to close this round 2 by working a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3. So after we are done with round 2, we need to change our yarn color to a different one. If you want, you can proceed with the same color as well. So I'm gonna use a different color for working my round 3, which is my last round for this earring. So go ahead, attach, change the yarn color to color 2. And now I'm going to work chain 3, and I will work one more double crochet on the same stitch. So the starting chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet. Then I'm going to work one more double crochet on the same stitch, and then I will work chain 3 and then work 2 double crochets on the next stitch. And now I'm going to work one double crochet each on next 4 stitches. Go ahead, work one double crochet each on next 4 stitches. And then go ahead, work 2 double crochet on the next stitch, followed by chain 3, and then work 2 double crochet on the next stitch. So we are changing the circle into a square. So these 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet will be our corner stitches, and then work 1 double crochet each on next 4 stitches. And once again work 2 double crochet on the next stitch, followed by a chain 3 and 2 double crochet on the stitch after that. And then work 1 double crochet each on next 4 stitches. So continue working like this around. And once this is done, we are going to work a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3 to close this round 3. So now I'm going to close this round 3 by working a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3. And once this is done, you can fasten off and weave your ends. Now if you see, we have fastened off, and as you can always see that it's not stiff. We need to stiffen them up. So I have made one more for a pair of earrings. We'll need to stiffen them up using one part of glue and one part of water, and dip this work in that and air dry it for about 24 hours. So here it is, my earrings that has been stiffened, and I've made the same in many other colors. Now I'm going to attach the earrings. So I will choose any of the chain 3 spaces of round 3 to attach my earring hooks. So I have a detailed blocking instruction in one of my earring tutorial video. I will update the link of that video in the description box as well. You can check it out. So you can go ahead, attach your earring hooks to all the earrings. And here it is, our beautiful granny square earrings is now ready. It's such a simple and easy pattern. You can do it in minutes and block them up. You get many different colors of earrings done in less time. So do try this earring pattern at home and let me know your comments. And if you want a written pattern for this earrings, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. The link is in the description. Check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.